Hi traders, this is Greg Kilpack with the Trader's Plan on the Options Trading Desk. Today is February 28th, 2022. I'd like to talk about what I'm seeing going on in the market right now, as well as go over some trades that we're in. So this is the Russell 2000 index, and this is something that is very interesting divergence I'm seeing. The Russell 2000 is, as of today, down 18% in the marketplace from the high set back in January, about 2 months ago. And it's actually up a little bit over the recent 2 or 3 days of trading. And so it was down even more than that, below about 20%, which marks bear market territory. Now that's quite a bit different from what I'm seeing in the S&P 500. So let's take a look at the spiders. Now, if you calculate it out, the S&P 500 is only down 10% compared to the Russell 2000 18%. So what's going on here? Well, it turns out that a lot of the big money is still piled into those great big stocks like Google and Facebook and Amazon and so forth. And those stocks are given much bigger weight in the S&P 500 compared to the Russell 2000. So what that really means is the Russell 2000 is more indicative of what's happening through the market overall, all the medium and small stocks compared to just the great big ones. Okay, so if you're an average investor, you're looking at just the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the S&P 500, then you might think the market is doing okay, when in fact a lot of stocks are already down over 25%. Some are even down over 50%. Now, from the highs, Rivian is down more than 60%, but I want you to see what's happening right now. Now, we're in a trade on a Rivian. We bought the 60 puts, and a few days ago it was down to 53.50. It looked like it was going to trend down, and instead it bounced back up above our strike price. Now, what I'm seeing is that there's a resistance level here around $68 to $70 a share. It's popped up a couple times above 71 and then quickly come back down. So we're in this trade. It bounced up 2 trading days ago, and I was watching very closely this morning when it had traded up to around $69 a share. And I was like, well, if it goes above resistance, that's your signal. You got to exit the trade. It's going in the wrong direction. But as I was watching it this morning, it bounced off the high of around 69 and came back down intraday. Let me see if I could even show that to you. Change the chart setting here real quick. Okay. Once it came up to a resistance level, they stomped on it. It's holding up a little bit right now. We'll need to see if it holds this level, and if it trends up from here, we got to get out of our trade, that we're wrong. But on the other hand, we would expect it to bounce off of resistance and come back down. In that case, we can hold on to the trade and hopefully make some money on it. We've got the same sort of situation in another trade on Snap. We bought the 39 put, and it's bounced up over the last few days. It was starting to make money and bounced back up. Now you can see it has gone briefly today above the 50-day moving average, that sloping line, but they've pushed it back down from 41 from this morning, right at the resistance level. You can see that it had gone up to almost 42 and then come back down. So we're right at the resistance point. We should see it come back down from here. However, if it does start to trend and hold its level and trend up from here, we got to get out. It's trending in the wrong direction. Okay, so you want to watch the trend in your trades and not just what is the stock doing? Is it going the right direction or the wrong direction the last few days? That's the difference. Okay, there's one other trade we're currently in, and it's starting to make a little money, kind of flat today actually. But we've got ExxonMobil, which is in a big uptrend. It's got a little bit of a pullback. I would expect the uptrend to continue. The fundamentals are certainly there for higher oil and gas prices between the Russia-Ukraine situation and inflation. Both of those fundamental factors are likely to drive prices higher in oil and gas. Okay, so my question to you is, how are you doing in your trading? Do you feel confident you understand what's going on? Well, if not, maybe you should join us. We give out lessons and teach you how to trade. We also offer alerts to enter and exit specific option trades. Sometimes we buy calls or puts. Sometimes we do debit or credit spreads, depending on the situation. You got to do your trades based on what's happening in the marketplace and respond accordingly. Okay. Now, if you'll sign up with us, then you'll get a free one-on-one consultation with me to go over your trades over Zoom individually so you can improve your trading and make more money. All you have to do is go to thetradersplan.com/options-income. I also answer questions. When you email them to me, I'm happy to answer them when I can. So we're here to help you make money in the markets, and we'd love to have you join us. Until then, this is Greg Kilpack wishing you a very profitable week and success in your trades.